Here I have the Hello Kiss Precise Liquid Brow Ink Pen. This is in the number 4. It is like a medium to dark brown color. It comes with a little spoolie to help fill in your brows. Also, this is what the pen looks like. It does have 2 sides. One is a more defined, precise tip. The other one is also defined and precise, but it is a double tip. So let's go ahead and use it. I went ahead and used a spoolie to brush out my brows. This helped shape my brows. Then I began filling the brows in. This was so easy to use. With the defined tip, I went ahead and lightly did hair-like strokes, doing an upward motion throughout my brow, just filling in any gaps that were missing hair. And at the end, I went ahead and brushed them out. So there you have it. This is the finished look of how my eyebrows look once I completely finished my makeup. It looks amazing. I absolutely love the double end tip. Gives me those nice hair-like strokes. So overall, if you're looking for a good eyebrow pen, I would definitely recommend